Artificial intelligence really is going forward in all the world, but in Arab countries, really is moving. But what is the real strategies? That's what I'm talking now about the Saudi Arabia strategies, inshallah ta'ala, in artificial intelligence. Bismillah. Let us have an introduction about Saudi Arabia, and the big projects are moving in information technology. It's what is the artificial intelligence is the part of it. Saudi Arabia has set one of the optimal plans to become the global leader in artificial intelligence AI by 2030. What is our Saudi Arabia vision? Is in custodiing many of part of our region. The Saudi National Strategies for Data and IA aims to put the artificial intelligence at the heart of the country developments and growth. Well, this is what we can see nowadays, even for the people they visit Saudi Arabia in this year, when they came for Umrah, or for they came to Hajj, or they came for tourism, or they came for, I think, the people, they are moving in Saudi Arabia very easily using the technologies, which is one of the real hard part in our Saudi vision. The strategies aim to make Saudi Arabia in the place where the best data and it's made is reality. What is really it mentions in the past presentation by the professor, that he is asking, he's assigning that if we don't have a data or big data or huge data, then we will not get any artificial intelligence result or programming or research. It's also set the foundation and the direction upon which Saudi Arabia will unlock the potential of the data and IA to fulfill the national transformation period and establishing the Kingdom Global Hub for the data and IA. And here, if we want to move with this thing, that means we have to governance the movement of the digital transformation and the automation, and giving the strategies how to build all of that. How Saudi Arabia strategies to become the largest player in the artificial intelligence industry? How? The answer is, we built in Saudi Arabia our vision about the infrastructure. As everybody knows, that the kingdom has a huge areas from the north to the south to the east to the west and the middle. So to have really good data or good platform or good network, we have to build the infrastructure for every areas. Fiber optic, got 5G, and now we're moving to the next generation. And how to automate the cities, how to automate the people, how to give the solutions to everybody to learn how to use the technology. The other thing, automation, how we did our automation to many of the government application, how we made the automation to the banking system, financial system, to the health system, to the education system, many of the regions that the people can use with it's under the plans and the strategies of the automation. After that, digitalization. How can we have something digital unless we can move all the things that we have between making the hardware and the automation of the hardware, then moving the other thing to the data transmission, to have the datas are gathering to one area, which will go to the next slide. I will show how Saudi Arabia moving to centralize the data to can build a really quick applications, a quick use, a big result to the everybody using. Then we have the digital transformation program, which is governance all the three areas that the infrastructure, the automation, and digitalization in each government and non-government area. What is the method of digital transformation strategies governance that we built in our vision in Saudi Arabia, Vision 2030? First of all, digital government authority, which is the area that is custodian all the plans, the future plans, all the KPIs, all the management of how we are moving forward to the 2030 plans, how we are moving forward in each area that are really affecting the move of the digital transformation. How can we utilize the data that we are centralizing it to use the artificial intelligence part? Then we have the smart government strategies. How is the smart department that doing this? We have the move this one from here. We have the acceleration program government initiatives. Voice is hiding from here. Then we'll have the actually it's not clear from our area, the difficulties in transit center, the Amira. Then we have the introducing the Saudi digital investment founder. Then we have the digital consultation program. 5 areas in this one is doing the KPIs for all the government and non-government areas to make sure that all the goals, short goals, medium goals, and far goals, to have the achievement vision 2030, building the big data and building also the artificial intelligence that are using now in many of the government places. Then we have the electronic government. Saudi Arabia now has become one of the best countries in the world using the electronic government. Passport, as we mentioned, for example, passport, it can take less than 1 day that you issue your passport. Your license, your car impairment, your billing, everything now we can use the electronic government utilities. We have the Saudi National Strategy for Data and for Artificial Intelligence. What they are doing? This will fulfill our Vision 2030 appearance, meaning the scale, the data of artificial intelligence applications and build the foundation for the strong economy. This will enable them to utilities become the user and the expert of the data and artificial enabled products and the services. This area is one of the part of our digital transformation governance to make sure each one who has the key the KPI in his area to report to them and give him the updates how we are moving in our strategic planning. And after that we have the SADAYA, which is digital Saudi Digital Artificial Intelligence Authority, which is custodian many of the education and non-education area to doing. How can we have the National Information System, which is gathering all the big data we have. After that, we have the National Data Management Office. Later, we have the National Center for Artificial Intelligence, with all of them working under SADAYA. If the people I have noticed, some of the people of the attendance, they attended the LEAP 24 in Riyadh, and they saw SADAYA programs, how they are doing governance to the artificial intelligence program and application in Saudi Arabia. Who is doing all the plans? Who is monitoring? Who is planning? Ministry of the Communications and Information Technology Strategy is leading all the plans for areas that working with the big data and digital transformation and artificial intelligence in Saudi Arabia. What they are doing? They are doing all the program that will go for artificial intelligence. All the plans, small and big and medium plans that will achieve the global aim using artificial intelligence, such as new, such as Saudi digital, such as our area in Saudi Arabia, in Riyadh, capital city, the digital city. They are using also the blockchain. They have the augmented reality programs. They have the Internet of Things. They have the digital currencies. Ministry of Communication and Information Technology doing a lot of hard job to move Saudi Arabia to be one of the best country in the world, or the first country in the world, inshallah, in the future, in using the digital transformation with all respect of the IT new changes. Why all this we are doing it? Saudi Arabia strategy to become the largest player in the AI industry. Data and artificial intelligence contributed to achieve the Saudi Vision 23, what is really the big aim for us now. Looking forward to have the achieve one of the Saudi Vision, it is the IT and digital transformation and IA. This is because 66 directed and indirected goals of the vision are linked to the data and artificial intelligence out of 96 goals. The ambitious vision aims to improve the kingdom image globally and achieve economically development that depended for its income on a various series by supporting non-oil sector and industry. So this is why we are doing efforts in Saudi Arabia to have the artificial intelligence and the big data in one of the best areas in the world. Now, Saudi Arabia is the second in the world in awareness of the artificial intelligence, according to the Stanford University International Artificial Intelligence Index in 2023. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was ranked second in the world in the Association Awareness of the Artificial Intelligence after an opinion poll relevant in the high relates Saudi citizens' confidence in the deadlining of the artificial intelligence product and services in the kingdom. According to the six indications of the Artificial Intelligence Index report, Artificial Intelligence Index Report 23, issued by the University of Stanford University. Now our universities that changes many of the role, especially in the IT area. Now, because we have some of the universities that have seven sections in IT, which is one of them is artificial intelligence modules and roadmap to have many students graduated in this year and next year and the years after in artificial intelligence program, supporting our plans in new, supporting our plans in digital city, Saudi digital image, and supporting the big area in the big vision, Saudi 2030, inshallah ta'ala. And many of the people who visited Saudi Arabia in the last 2 years, they saw the changes. Even the tourist people, when they came, they have a unique number. They can use the unique number in their mobile moving forward to buy a ticket, to go and buy, to rent a car, they go to the hotels, they go to the banking, they go using a unique, everyone he has a unique identification number that when he enters Saudi Arabia to have his easily economic and tourist reality in Saudi Arabia. Finally, Saudi Arabia is moving forward to the digital transformation plans as per Saudi Vision 2030, which is Saudi Digital. The name is Saudi Digital, by application of artificial intelligence in all area of life. Thank you very much. I hope, inshallah ta'ala, I met my time. And I tried my best really to give the last things in our updated KPIs in artificial intelligence for the Saudi Vision 23.